Hi and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this lovely 2018 Audi A4 TFSi Avant. Now this is the S-Line model and has the wonderful fuel efficient yet very frugal and packed with performance 1.4 engine. Now the car is sitting on the 18-inch double spoke S-Line alloys, and they're in absolutely fantastic order. Now this car's only done just over 21,000 miles, and as one could expect there, then the car is in a lovely condition. Now we took this in part exchange off a local keeper on an Audi Q7. So an Audi guy, similar colour, similar spec than the Audi that he bought from ourselves. Now this particular car is in the brilliant black paint, so this is a solid black colour, and as you can see, the front end of it is in lovely order. Minimal marks or anything, if none, to be fair. And it sits really well. We've got the service documentation all on this car, and also 2 keys, book pack, everything that was supplied new is there with it. Now the wheels are all, as I say, in great condition. When we detail it, we'll remove them, we'll wash the wheels inside out, we'll paint the calipers and detail the discs. Looking down the side of the car, as you can see there, being a black car, they do show lots of little marks. However, this car is, the sides are lovely order. Mirror caps are all in super condition. This has got the chrome then around the windows, and then the satin chrome again on the roof bars. Parking sensors on the front and the rear. As I say, it's got the full technology package, so SAT NAV, DAB, Bluetooth. They do have an electric tailgate on these, so coming around the rear, as you can see there, it's a badge deleted vehicle from factory. We do have the specifications shaped, so it has LED headlamps and badge deletion. Lovely size big boot there. You've got prams, shopping, great cars these for a family. There's nothing you can't fit in an Audi A4. Lovely LED light there, and then you get this load through net. And if you do have a dog, you can use it as a dog guard, but the rear blind and then the rear load cover. Audis do still come with a space saver spare wheel, so unlike BMW, you've gone to run flat tyres and everything like that, you'll never be caught out in an Audi. Electric tailgate is a little button up the top there. Press that once and the boot closes. Lovely. As I say, all the wheels are in great condition. Lovely throughout. Down the passenger side and the driver's side, they're ideal. There is absolutely nothing that would warrant any work whatsoever. If there's any little imperfections, we get our dent man, he goes round the car and will effectively take anything out. But as I can say, this car is lovely order throughout. So jumping in the car, we get the half leather S-Line interior. That's embossed at the top there, and we get the white contrast stitch. Bolsters and bases are all in great order. This has the 4-way lumbar support, so again that is a factory optional extra. Aluminium detail is brushed. Then we get the 4 electric windows, heated electric door mirrors, automatic headlamps, aluminium pedal set. The 3-spoke steering wheel is leather clad with a contrast white stitch, and as you can see there, I'll just close the door and fire the car up. We'll start her up, silky smooth start, and then you've got a lovely low mileage of 21,294 miles. Now this car has the 3-zone climate control. That means the driver, the passenger and the rear of the vehicle can be set at different temperatures. Heated front seats for the driver and heated front seats for the passenger. We have the drive select as well, so you can then, on the car, as you can see, we can have comfort, auto, dynamic and individual drive. Up on that screen then you'll have your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth phone, your radio, and then obviously the media player. Now the media player is situated in the glove box, and that is the CD player, SD card. We've got the full complement of book packs, 2 keys and a locking wheel nut are all in there. Have a look on that advert and you'll see that the service history is all detailed there. The last owner bought it from a well-known supermarket, and they serviced it, and then he's had it serviced again before. But the passenger side, and seat are as good as the driver's. The interior of this car is as good as it was when it was probably supplied new. We do have a set of tailored mats. They've been removed for washing. This is your Audi MMi system, so on that wheel we can just use the wheel and choose radio stations, etc. Sounds very good on these. Not bad sound there if you like that. And then again, on the screen of the car you can change the center console depending whether you want it on the miles, date, time, and then you can just click through then. Radio, as you can see, that's moving through, so you've got your phone up there, and again you can have the sat nav as well if you want to drive along with that. Multi-function wheel, so you can adjust the controls there, and then we do have the cruise control and speed limiter, which is fantastically useful today on these average speed motorways. USB down there as well, traction control start. You can pop the screen down if it's in your way at night. It just switches off, and then it doesn't pop down, but it just switches off. Auto dim center mirror as well, which is great. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last person didn't smoke in this car, which is always a good note. But just look at the concept and the dash and the surround. Lovely, lovely car to drive. As I say, this is the 1.5 petrol efficient engine, and is in great, great order. Back seats are lovely, lovely. Isofix, as you can see. There's the load net through as well. You can bring that forward as well, so if you wanted to use it behind the seats. We've got the 3-zone climate, so passenger can adjust it different to the front there. And as I said, the concept dashboard all wrapped round is super, super. But all in all, what a great car. I've got the car running now, but as you can see, it is a lovely, lovely example for an 18 reg, only done 21,000 miles, so 4 years, less than 5,000 miles a year. That's less than 100 miles a week, isn't it? So a very, very lightly used car, and you can tell it's only been very, very lightly used. Very, very nice car indeed. As I say, the LED headlamps are there, so they're the signature headlamps. Very, very nice, but they're a factory option also. So if you'd like any more info, give me a call. There's Graham, there's Lee, and there's Dom on sales. If you'd like a finance price, sorry, I forgot what I was going to say then, go on our website. Underneath the car is our finance calculator. Take a look at that. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a price over the phone. Have a look on our Facebook page and our socials. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country, just like yourself, collecting vehicles from Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Well, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.